Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to an in depth exploration of the 2024 Skoda Enyaq. Skoda has revitalized this all electric family SUV, infusing it with enhancements that promise to elevate your driving experience. So, without further delay, let's get started. At first glance, the 2024 Enyaq might appear familiar, but Skoda has made subtle yet impactful tweaks. The removal of the IV from the nameplate streamlines its identity, while the design remains sophisticated and contemporary, whether in its SUV or sleek coupe variants. Underneath the hood, Skoda has fine-tuned the Enyaq's powertrains, ensuring they stand tall amid competitors like the Kia EV6, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and the Tesla Model Y. The Enyaq 60 now boasts a commendable 249-mile range coupled with a robust 177 bhp motor for a swift 0 to 62 mph acceleration in just 8.7 seconds. Meanwhile, the Enyaq 85 edition packs a punch, offering an exceptional range of 348 miles and an impressive 282 bhp, enabling a sprint from 0 to 62 mph in just 6.7 seconds. The 85X, with its dual motor setup, elevates performance and range, clocking in 328 miles and 6.6 seconds acceleration time. And let's not forget the powerhouse, the Enyaq VRS, now boasting a jaw-dropping 335 bhp acceleration from 0 to 62 mph in mere 5.5 seconds and offering a range of up to 336 miles. Skoda introduces the pinnacle of luxury with its Laurin and Claymate L&K trim level, tailored for comfort and opulence. This variant, aligning with the Enyaq 85, promises a truly indulgent driving experience. The VRS isn't just about power, it's also about the tech. Both the 85X and the VRS models benefit from a new peak charging speed of 175 kW, enabling a swift charge from 10% to 80% in just 28 minutes. Skoda hasn't just focused on performance and aesthetics. The 2024 Enyaq comes with revamped menus and screens, offering a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. Navigation, climate controls, and the digital displays have been redesigned for better clarity and ease of use. Additionally, Skoda has upped the safety game, adding driver attention alert, speed assist, and traffic sign recognition across various trim levels, enhancing the overall safety suite. Let's talk now about the value. The 2024 Enyaq lineup caters to various preferences and budgets, starting at around 38,970 euros for the base Enyaq 60. Skoda offers a range of models with diverse specifications and pricing, ensuring there's an Enyaq tailored to every driver's need. Now, let's talk about the conclusion. With its improved powertrains, extended range, luxurious trim levels, and technological advancements, the 2024 Skoda Enyaq is positioned to lead the charge in the electric SUV landscape. What do you feel about this electric SUV? Please do mention in the comments below and subscribe our channel for latest automotive information. We will catch you in another video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.